Nahuel, given your experience and what you see with the scripting engine and how it's evolved over the last year or so, what are some of the things that you've seen, how we've been able to help customers secure their environments using the scripting engine?
Yeah, there is mainly these 3 points that I want to talk about, that I want to highlight. Let's start with the first point, full set of public scripts. We have right now, in the slide it says 300 scripts, but right now we have around 350 scripts. There is a constantly increasing public library, and the question that you may ask is how this public library is increasing. What are the sources? Well, we have mainly 3 different sources. We have BoomGPT, is the AI that Vicarious have. We have also Society, is our social media where users can upload their scripts that will detect and mitigate a specific CVE, and they will receive a commission for it. There is a full team of researchers that are uploading constantly scripts to our social media, to Society. And there is also, of course, the research team. I have to stop there a minute, because our research team is constantly focusing mainly on the user feedback, on the client feedback. We hear about what they need, and we try to provide them with solutions. Sometimes there is specific solutions for a specific client, but then we go a step backward and say, okay, how can we make this generic? How can we make this in a way that all of our users can take advantage of the script that we just made? And we then upload it, we try it, we have like you say before, we have a laboratory, a sandbox laboratory. We tried it, we verify it, and we just upload it to the public library, so every one of our users can access it. It doesn't matter if their tenant is new, they have a new dashboard, or they have different tenants for their different teams on the company. It doesn't matter. They will all have the access to the more than 300 scripts of the public library. Also, the other part that is very important is that we have native PowerShell, Bash, and batch execution. These are 3 scripting languages that are used a lot right now. If you go to GitHub and search for PowerShell, search for Bash, you will find a lot of scripts related to security, from offensive security to defensive, preventive, incident response. So it is really important to be able to provide a robust support for executing these scripts. And finally, one of the main things that not only the scripting shine, but across all VRX, we have the ability to deploy a patch, to deploy reports, to deploy different activities. And it is not less on the script side. We have the ability to deploy to across multiple assets, group of assets, and it will automatically detect if the system, if Windows is a Windows, then execute the PowerShell version of the script. If it's a Linux version or a Mac system, then execute the Bash and the corresponding language. So yeah, that's one of the best parts.